Hello Facebook ads people. A question that I get all the time is how can I contact customer support? And we know that Facebook is actually making it very difficult for some of you to contact customer support.
Flashback.
Apparently Facebook makes it very difficult for us because maybe they don't want us to actually contact them.
End of flashback.
So now let me show you how you can actually contact the Facebook customer support so that you know and you won't have any problems locating the chat support. First of all, when we are on the Ads Manager, there is one option here, the help option, as you can see, and you can see that we can see customer contact support team over here. When you click it, you will be able to talk to them. If you cannot see this option, another way of doing it is if you go to facebook.com/business/help, okay, and if you scroll here, you will find this. Still need help, find answers or customer support. I know that some of you in your accounts, you will not be able to see neither of these two options. If this is the case, that means that you need to find a way of contacting support either with a representative or if you have something like a banned account, you need to click on the option of review in the account quality. If this is not the option again, you need to find an email to actually contact the customer support. Other than that, in 90% of the accounts, these options here are going to be available. But yes, you are right, there are some accounts that I have seen that they don't have this option. Another thing that I would like to mention before closing this video is that after you actually contacted the customer support, a lot of times if you want to see your discussion, you can see that if you go to facebook.com/support, and here you can see there are going to be some different options and different cases. When you click it, you will be able to see the whole discussion back and forth, and sometimes when they don't answer to you, you can come here without expecting and you can write another message so that you will not have to wait more and more and more. Of course, don't overdo it. Don't try to send a message every one day because they will never reply. You are always going to refresh the time of the reply. So if they haven't replied to you though for 1 week, you can come here, you can click in this open case and you can actually see the whole discussion that you had and you can put a new message for them so that they're going to reply to you. Other ways are with a Facebook representative. They're very helpful. In my opinion, this is the only reason that you can have a Facebook representative, because you can contact customer support very easy. Another thing is that if you have any banned account or any message that you need to contact them, most probably it's going to have the option of contacting them. So don't forget that these are the options. I hope that this video is going to help you. Consider to subscribe to this channel for more tips, and I will see you in a future video.